Men are carrying more stress than ever, and it's rarely talked about what it does to the body. Stress crushes testosterone. Stress shuts down our digestion. Stress kills libido, and stress erodes energy. And most men don't realize it. Welcome to a video to recalibrate with Nate. We got day 13 here of VlogMass. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're already part of the crew, welcome back. Now, stress in men becomes a tight chest, shallow breathing, low stomach acid, cravings, caffeine dependence, fatigue, and a mad amounts of inflammation. And sadly, this becomes the normal male baseline, but it's not natural. It's depletion. You don't need perfection. You don't need regulation. Your body needs moments of relief, not a lifestyle of overload. Try this. 3 to 5 deep breaths before meals. This reactivates digestion. And then set a tech cutoff time, 30 to 60 minutes at least before bed. Doing this will improve both testosterone and sleep. And then stop skipping meals, man. Like that crashes your hormones. Get sunlight and movement every morning. That'll regulate your cortisol levels. Now, if you want deeper men's health tools, check the ebooks and the school community below. Now, tomorrow, day 14, we're talking men, fruit, and the myth that fruit kills testosterone. We'll see you there. Love ya.